हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। नियॉन पोथोस की ये कटिंग्स मैंने प्रोपगेट किया था अराउंड 1 मंथ अगो एंड आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें ऑलरेडी रूट डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छा हुआ है और सेकेंडरी रूट्स भी आने शुरू हो चुके हैं एंड देयर आर सम टाइनी शूट्स एज वेल. So this is the mother plant from which I had taken the cuttings, and you can see it has already started giving new growth. And there is this space in which I am thinking of putting few cuttings so that it becomes more bushier and fuller. And for the new pot, I am taking my usual 4.5 inch thermoplastic one. I have been loving these pots recently. So जब भी हम ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं वाटर से सॉयल, just make sure that the roots are at least 1 to 2 inches longer, and if you have secondary roots then it's much better. So the trick with water roots is that we need to put this roots a little deeper in the soil so that it can get good moisture. But there is no guarantee that it will be 100% success. So try to have multiple cuttings. Now this is done, so let's move to the mother plant. Since these roots are quite delicate, don't poke it in the plant directly. So you can make you can make hole with anything. I'm just using one plastic spoon over here. Also try to make sure that you're not damaging the mother plant roots. Okay, so this is done as well. Now let's thoroughly water it. I'll keep you updated on how these are doing in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.